Hello, I'm Professor Alfonso. Are you tired of coughing or having a sore throat? Yeah, and that's what people not to choose to go to school. Anyways, here is a tip how to prevent coughing. Step number 1. Try to eat wholes, like this one. Step number 2. Drink a water while you at it. Step number 3. You have to sleep as well. Ah! That's good! Yeah, sometimes it's not working, sometimes it works. So yeah. Step number 4. If it's not working, just go to the bathroom and keep coughing until you get something out of your throat. If those steps isn't working, just consult a doctor, then you will be better. Alright? Call 1-800-555-3339. That's my number. Anyways, I hope this will help you. If you have any questions, just comment and subscribe. Alright? Peace out!